Let me share a very small example from my own journey, in fact. So at Mentor My Board, I've been really fortunate to be surrounded by so many mentors. So on as on today, we have more than 100 mentors on the platform of Mentor My Board. And many of them whom I have kind of personally interacted a lot of times, they have actually helped me shape and actually helped me evolve in many different ways. So one mentor who could challenge my thinking by pushing me to shifting from the operational execution to the strategy role. Another kind of mentor who helped me strengthen my voice in the boardroom, not only by speaking more, but actually listening differently. How is it that you question differently? What are those kind of aspects that you bring to the table when you are there? So those kind of strengths that are natural to you, sorry, that are natural to you, but probably many times they don't come out. uh, One another mentor who helps kind of be keeping me grounded, basically. So reminding me that leadership isn't about only the pace that we run about today, but it is also about your presence. And hence, then there were a lot of mentors in my own journey who taught me the softer aspects, the invisible parts of leadership, the emotional resilience that we have to kind of maintain during different aspects of growth. And each one of them stepped in at a different moment in my journey altogether. So, not with big dramatic interventions, but with timely nudges, some difficult questions that they ask you, and then that helps you kind of build on that quiet belief that, yes, this is possible. Today, even when I navigate this complexity of having this community of Mentor My Board, as you rightly said in the introduction, that we are building this community which is dealing with governance, with challenges, with building a vision of having 1 lakh directors on the platform. I still hear these voices of wisdom in the background and who support me completely. So that is why I feel personally that mentorship matters much more now than ever, for me at least.